Today on Trail Preview Thursdays, I am previewing Dog Cholla Trail at Big Bend Ranch State Park near Big Bend National Park. Dog Cholla Trail is a fun little trail. I will be riding it from the west side towards the east side, and it's just like not really any other trail out there. It is a really cool trail with some little bit of natural like jumps and whatnot and little berms. Nothing really man-made, but it's almost like white dirt and white rock, unlike anything else in Big Bend Ranch State Park. It is a blue trail at about 1 mile long, and I would definitely say that it can get the blue rating. I would maybe say it is a green-blue, but I think the blue rating is perfectly fine. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button down below and subscribe while you're down there. It helps get this video and the channel to more mountain bikers just like you. It's a really fun trail, so let's go ahead and drop in. Thank you. And that is Dog Cholla Trail. I hope that that preview helps you decide whether or not you want to go on it. And just like all of the other offshoot trails that offshoot from the road coming back east, I definitely recommend that you hit Dog Cholla Trail. It can take off a little bit of the road, and it is just a lot funner than riding your bike on the little access road that's there. If you want to see the full ride that I did at Big Bend Ranch State Park, go ahead and check out that video right here. I'll see you over there. Go find your epic.